In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best tactical tomahawks in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. One of the best smaller tactical tomahawks is this model. The compactness and streamlined design make it easier to carry or to be active with. It's especially easier to jog with without needing to stop and rest. One thing we should mention early is that this model is really for self-defense rather than recreational activities. The blade on this one is significantly wide considering its overall dimensions and has an upsweep design. This lets the user make bigger cuts, and let's be honest, it just looks really cool too. On the reverse side to the head, there's a second blade. The second blade can be used as your reserve when the main one needs a sharpening. Or, they can be used as the perfect combo for self-defense. Unlike poorly made tactical tomahawks, you aren't going to swing back and send the head flying while still holding the handle. The steel head is securely merged with the handle using 3 strong bolts. The handle isn't bad either. It combines reliable nylon with reinforced fiberglass for a durable mix. To add icing to the cake, the tomahawk is then protected with a nylon sheath which fastens with snap-tight buttons. Number 4. With a penchant for manual utility and self-defense tasks, this tactical tomahawk dispatches obstacles quickly with a sharp SK5 carbon steel blade on one end and an aggressive spike on the other. Designer Ryan Johnson of RMJ Tactical in Chattanooga, TN has been honing his tactical tomahawk designs for over 30 years, earning him a dedicated and loyal fan base, particularly among Special Forces troops. Now, he's building an even bigger following with his latest offering, the Cane GT Hawk. Crafted from a single slab of high-carbon steel, it's robust enough to handle most anything you can dish out. The blade geometry has tapered cutting edges for efficient splitting, chopping or shaving, and overall toughness. Meanwhile, a spike on the other end ensures victory over whatever you may come up against in the line of duty. This tomahawk does more than cut. It carves out a unique place in your tactical gear bag. But let's not forget the true importance of a work tool, how it feels in hand. To that end, this T-Hawk features a curved handle and a finger grip choil along the front for enhanced control. Full-length handle scales are checkered for added grip security, and they can be easily removed for cleaning. It's a useful tool to have and to hold from this day forward. Finally, a MAL-compatible bolter and sheath can be slipped over the head for easy, secure attachment to all your MAL gear. Well balanced and easily controlled, the Cane G will make you look good by destroying anything in its path. Number 3. Before the halfway mark of our buyer guide attempting to find the best tactical tomahawk for you, we want you to see another United Cutlery creation. From the first glance, you can tell there is something different about this hunting and sporting tomahawk. When United Cutlery claims to have made a double-bladed tactical tomahawk, they really mean it. This model has 2 identical blades. Both strong and durable enough to take down whatever you put in its way. There are lots of benefits in having 2 outstanding blades. One of these isn't always realized straight away. By having 2 blades, the tomahawk has exceptional balance and weight distribution that single-bladed tomahawks don't have. Throwing this one is even easier and doubles your chances of making a sharp blow to your object. The accompanying sheath covers both blades safely so you can transport and store it without risks. Just be careful if you have never handled a dual-bladed tactical tomahawk like this before. Putting on the sheath requires a little more caution. Number 2. Are no strangers to the tactical gear scene, and they are no strangers to us at Men's Gear. They've been welcome additions to our buyer's guides in the past because they've proven their quality and eye for detail. This tactical tomahawk is the perfect example of just that. This model is ideal for a host of situations. It can be used for breaching, for chopping, and is a part of many guys' camping arsenal as an all-around tool. Transporting this product is no struggle either because it's exceptionally lightweight. At only 1.5 pounds, you can walk with it in your hand prepared or hang it to your other gear without getting tired. But, you may be wondering, how could you hang it from your other gear? The answer is in the Tomahawk's sheath. The product is provided with a sheath made from durable ballistic nylon. This sheath provides the Tomahawk with an undeniable defense against minor and major damage. Yet, it has a secondary function. It has been designed with an attachment so it easily hangs from a belt or a tactical backpack. Just like the Gerber model we introduced you to, this one is multifunctional and offers more than just slicing skills. It has been made with a hammered edge and a piercing spike to provide users with even more for their money. Is this the best tactical Tomahawk for you? SOGs have even stated that they will always consider replacements if your well-maintained tactical Tomahawk starts underperforming. Number 1. The Gerber Downrange is the premium option on this list, so you're going to have to sell a lot of handmade rocking chairs to buy one of these. For the premium price, you get premium features like extremely durable high-carbon stainless steel with the ever-popular Cerakote finish to protect against rust, corrosion, and scratches. This Tomahawk is also backed by Gerber's lifetime warranty. The composite handle is more than capable of not only standing up to the elements, but ensuring you have a firm handhold in the worst conditions. The head of this Tomahawk includes the blade as well as a hammer and handle that reduces weight while giving you a firm grip while using the pry bar on the other end. A hard protective sheath and maul mount are included. At more than 19 inches and nearly 2 pounds, this is the heavy hitter of the group. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.